Unleash the power of the bearish trend and profit from falling prices with the Bear's Power Indicator on Pocket Option. Today, we're diving deep into the Bear's Power Indicator, your essential tool for identifying and capitalizing on downward market movements. First, let's access the indicator. Navigate to the Indicators tab on your Pocket Option platform, search for Bear's Power, and click to add it to your chart. Observe the Bear's Power histogram. It primarily consists of bars that oscillate above and below the zero line. Typically, red bars appearing below the zero line indicate weakening bullish momentum and a growing bearish sentiment. Conversely, green bars above the zero line suggest some bullish pressure, but the real sell opportunities emerge when the bars turn red and descend. To pinpoint a short selling opportunity, we look for specific signals. The ideal scenario is when the Bear's Power histogram crosses from above the zero line to below it, and then continues to print red bars that are increasingly lower. This demonstrates a strong shift in momentum towards the sellers. Once you spot these bearish signals, €, the histogram consistently below the zero line and trending downwards, €, it's time to execute your trade on Pocket Option. You'll select the sell or put option, choose your desired expiry time and investment amount, and confirm your trade as the downward trend is expected to continue. For an effective trading strategy, combine Bear's Power with other indicators like moving averages or RSI to confirm the trend's strength. Always practice risk management by using stop losses and only investing what you can afford to lose. Master the Bear's Power indicator, and you'll be well on your way to navigating and profiting from bearish market conditions.